copyright disclaimer under the section of 107 under the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is permitted by the copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips to balance in favor of fair use.
ASAP. ASAP. ASAP.
So ASAP Rocky pleaded not guilty today to assault and weapons charges stemming from a beef he had with a former rapper friend in Los Angeles. The F and My Problems artist, who wore a navy blue suit and sparkling diamond earrings, was trailed by 3 bodyguards as he arrived at LA criminal court for his arraignment. The 33-year-old Manhattan native, whose real name is Raquel Mayes, is accused of firing 2 gunshots in the direction of one-time ASAP Mob rap collective member ASAP Relly in November. He pleaded guilty. He walked in with a swagger to the podium inside the courtroom and struck a pose with his head cocked back before entering the plea through his lawyer, Sarah Kaplan. He said only, "I do, Your Honor, and I understand that," as Judge Victoria Wilson set a date for his next court appearance on November 2nd. The court issued a protective order against ASAP Rocky, forbidding him to contact the members of the ASAP mob, and Kaplan asked that the order go both ways. "I will request the protective order be mutual because my client is also in danger," she told the judge, who responded that Kaplan would have to file documents to get the order. The Praise the Lord rapper was hit on Monday with 2 counts of assault with a semi-automatic firearm, with allegations of personally using a firearm in the altercation, according to the prosecutors. Discharging a gun in a public place is a serious offense that could have ended with the tragic consequences not only for the person targeted, but also for the innocent bystanders visiting Hollywood, said the Los Angeles DA George Gaskin. The new charges came after the rapper was arrested for assault with a deadly weapon linked to the same incident after arriving at LA International Airport with girlfriend Rihanna in April. He was released on $550,000 bond. So, what is being said here is that he shot at one of his homies, allegedly. Relly, ASAP Relly. ASAP might be going to jail, brother. If that guy is testifying, he got a problem. Is the guy really talking? Anybody know? See, this is why you can't have friends, man. If you got friends that's going to shoot at you, that means they could potentially take your life. Now, what could have his friend or somebody in his group have done to him for him to have allegedly shot at somebody? Oh gosh. Here we go. Don't get choked. Just start investigating, goddammit. Former ASAP mob member Terrell, Mr. Efron, aka ASAP Relly, has come forward as the man ASAP Rocky allegedly shot last November, as Rolling Stone has learned that he has filed a civil suit for assault, battery, and emotional distress against his high school best friend. Damn. Damn, homie. In high school, we was friends, homie. What the hell happened to you? Rocky, whose real name is Rakim Mayers, was arrested in April for assault with a deadly weapon over alleged shooting, with police withholding the victim's name. Mayers has not been charged, but heads to court on August 17th over the matter, which was today, right? Yep. But ahead of the hearing, Efron has come forward to publicly accuse Mayers of luring him into an obscure location in central Hollywood to discuss a disagreement between the two of them. According to a statement provided to Rolling Stone by Efron's attorney Jamal Toussaint and Brian Hersher announcing the lawsuit. Unbeknownst to Mr. Efron, ASAP Rocky was not just planning for a conversation and came armed with a semi-automatic handgun. The statement alleges after arriving at the location, a conversation ensued, hereby without provocation, warning, or justification. ASAP Rocky produced the handgun and intentionally fired multiple shots at Mr. Efron. Efron, who works as a talent manager and producer alongside fashion and jewelry ventures, claims Mayers inflicted minor injuries to his left hand after shooting Efron. And according to the statement, the entire incident was captured by nearby surveillance cameras. Oh, ASAP is you screwed, buddy. You screwed. You screwed. If that shit is on camera, boy, you better try to go and get you a deal. News of the shooting broke in April when Myers had been arrested shortly after landing at LAX following a trip with his girlfriend Rihanna in her native Barbados weeks before the couple were expecting their first child together. The 33-year-old was arrested for assault with a deadly weapon and was quickly released from jail after posting a $500,000 bond. Mayers has yet to publicly address the shooting. Mayers' lawyers, Alan Jackson, did not immediately reply to a request for a comment. Officials have been tight-lipped on further details of the case, but Los Angeles police claimed at the same time of his arrest that Myers had fired at the man several times during the dispute. In the statement provided by Rolling Stone, Efron's attorney Jamal Toussaint and Brian Hersher said their client has suffered multiple death threats and irreparable harm to his career in the entertainment industry as a result of this incident, adding they expect the civil matter to go to trial. Ephraim Meyer's history dates back to their days at New York's Bayard Rustin High School for Humanities. While Ephraim did not rap for the group, he had been involved since his early days with Myers crediting Relly for bringing him into ASAP Mob, formed by the late ASAP Yams, as well as ASAP Bari, ASAP Ills, and ASAP Guam around 2006. Myers' Purple Swag helped put ASAP Mob on the map when they released in summer 2011. Ephraim appears in the music video, which is filmed at Ephraim's apartment. That October, oh man, that's it for the case. So, either this is all cap or ASAP Rocky, he gonna have a problem. Because if this dude go to court and testify and say that he shot him or shot at him, and they have surveillance video uh, to cooperate his story, ASAP Rocky gonna be going up the rock. And he know you since high school. He's a part of your group. So the jury's not going to question whether he know you or not. And if he know it was you or not. And then the surveillance footage is going to prove that it was you. Now, had you didn't shoot the gun, you wasn't the shooter, then, oh yeah, by any means, take it to trial. Because any nigga could have been standing around you and bop, 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 bop. But if he know it was you, and they said something about your hand got hurt, like if the gun kicked or some shit and your finger or skin got jammed up in there somehow, or if you got a gun residue on your hand or whatever, just the fact that you got him testifying against you, brother, and he giving a statement, and he gonna have to give a statement in court because now that they arrested you, because clearly he didn't press charges, and they must have told him for him to have a civil suit, like I know that from my case, you know, for you to get the big bucks, you have to press charges. Like it has to be a criminal case. Now you can have a civil case, but it's going to be very hard to win a case without a criminal case or some type of paperwork, some type of paper trail, legal paper trail. This is like when you get into a car accident with somebody or you get hit by a car, they tell you to call the cops. You know what I'm saying? Don't exchange insurance information, then let the person leave, and then you thinking that they're gonna do right by you. No, get the police report. You know what I'm saying? That's the only thing that's going to guarantee you that you're going to get some type of police assistance. You know what I'm saying? In this case, dude, really, you see, he filed a civil suit, and then I guess they must have went in and locked ASAP Rocky up later and stuff. So now that even if he didn't press charges, now that the state pressed charges and locked him up, now Relly's definitely going to have to be a witness. And if he got a protective order against ASAP Rocky and every member in the group. Now, you know he testifying without question because he now he got protection. So like, brother, you should have put hands on feet on him, not bust a gun.